Saturday, people! He's cooking his breakfast. I'm just having my coffee. Anong gagawin natin today? Wala kami masyadong meron kaming titingnan na bahay. Hindi naman kami lilipat or something. Ganyan lang talaga kami. Pag may nakita kaming bahay na interesado kaming tinitingnan namin siya kahit na wala naman kaming planong lumipat or Eventually, kasi we will need like you know, kapag meron ng mga chikiting, we will eventually need a bigger house. Pero so far wala pa. He's cooking breakfast. What's that, my love? Ooh, looks good. Ano siya, guys? Eggs na nilagyan niya ng cheese. Gusto niya lutuin ko to. Ito yung pang tomorrow? Oh, what is that again? What do you call that? Sausage roll. Para sausage roll. Kain tayo ng mamon bay with my breakfast. Ito, mamon. Yan, lemon square. I know, actually, try natin to. Hindi ko pa to na-try. Choo cake pies. Dalawahin natin kasi parang maliit siya. Yan, galing kay Lemon Square from Castle Glen. Thank you, Castle Glen. Okay pa din yung pantry natin, guys. Organized pa din siya. So far. Masarap, guys. Masarap yung choo cheesy milk na cake pies. Masarap. This is good, babe.
What is it?
I like it.
What is it?
Cheesy milk cake pies.
Okay.
So it has like a cheesy filling.
Is that from...
Milky cheesy filling.
So cake was the company?
Castle Glen, yeah.
Castle Glen.
Ililive ko yung details ng Castle Glen sa description box. Dan's breakfast looks good. Did you put honey?
Nah.
No? So why is the honey out?
No.
Okay. Ganyan karami ang kanyang breakfast. Yemmers? That looks good, my love. Parang tinitingnan ko palang busog na ako. Okay na ako dito sa akin. Kain tayo, guys. Alright, I'll go.
Alright.
Love you.
Love you.
Let's get our nails done. Hindi na tuloy yung guys. Tingin namin ng bahay kasi nag-change pala yung schedule. Are you walking me out?
No. I'm a bedroom.
Poor me.
See you, babe.
Love you. Nag-post ako ng poll sa Instagram kasi gusto ko mag-yellow nails pero wala, medyo natatakot ako sa like bright yellow. So pinost ko either bright yellow or pastel. Yung pinili ni Dan, pastel. And so far, yung pinili nyo din, pastel. So, tingnan natin. Kasi usually, pagdating ko doon, nagbabago yung isip ko. Lagi kasi akong nag-nude nails. And since summer, sabi ko, try kaya natin yung bright, diba? Bright pero pastel. Pagbalik natin, magluluto tayo. Halo, yung lamig. Ano ba yan? Hindi talaga ako marunong ng mga buttons dito sa car na to. Okay. Bakit malamig pa rin? Bakit naka-on pa din yung AC? In-off ko na. I don't like it. Alright, let's go. Wait, may key ba ako? Meron. May pera ba ako? Ha? Meron naman. Okay, let's go. Bili din ako after nung nails. Bili tayo ng pork para sa lulutuin natin mamaya. Hi, sana may parking. I don't think so. Wale, guys. Wale. Busy today. Hi. Mapapapunta tayo dito sa loob, guys. Nga. Wait, is Ate leaving? Are you leaving? Nope. Kakarating lang niya. Maswerte kayo. Mayroon kayong parking. Eh, di wow. Okay. Punta tayo sa loob, mga kaibigan. Ayun, maraming green doon. Pwede ba tayo doon? Where's this car going? Are you parking, mate? Okay. See ya. Alright, we're here. Perfect parking. Yes, let's go. Saan tayo dadaan? Dito na ako sa Kohl's, guys. Tapos na yung nails ko. Ito siya. Of course, ayaw niya mag-focus. Pero ito naka half price. Pang pasalubong sana ba? Gusto ko yung mga ganito. May nakaano sa tab para magamit din ng pagbibigyan natin yung tab. Kailan kaya ito may expire? Yan oh, half price. 12.50 na lang. Maraming ng mga chocolate, guys. Kasi ano na. Anong tawag dito sa holiday na to? Yung may rabbit. Yung may bunny. Anong tawag dun? Holy Week. No, iba yung tawag nila dito. Ewan ko. Easter. Easter pala. Diyos ko. Oh yan. May laki naman. Di gusto ko yung may tab. Ito pa yung meron ako so far. Yan. Wait, check natin expiration date nun. Huwag natin siyang iwan. Ano ba expiration date nito? See side of tab. Sa side. Oh, perfect. October. October pa siya ma-expire. Pili kaya tayo. Dalawa. Parang ito na yata yung pinaka-best na sale, half price nito. Wala na bang iba? Sana nag-cart ako da. Wait, guys. Ako na talaga ang napadami ng shopping, guys. Eh, ako lang mag-isa ngayon. Good luck. Mabigat to lahat. Pero okay lang. Tapos na tayo. Dalawa lang yung binili ko. Dagdagan ko ba? Siguro dadagdagan ko, no? Habang naka-sale pa ba? We did it! Excited ako sa mga ko, guys. Papakita ko sa inyo mamaya. Na-excite ako. Naka-spend ako ng mga $100 sa grocery. Hindi ko in-expect na aabot sa ganun. Pero anyway, meron akong mga yung mga kinokolekta namin ni Dan na mga vegetable and fruit and veg na mga, basta mga small characters na makikita nyo mamaya. Pero that's it. Let's go, people. Let's go home. Si Dan may golf pa naman. O, diba? Siya na talaga ang mag-golf. Sana maabutan pa natin siya, guys. Alright. Let's go, guys. Dalawa lang talaga yung binili ko na chocolate. Hindi ko dinamihan. Kasi nagmamadali ako. Babalik pa sana ako doon. So, sabi ko, hala, uy, may ano pa si Dan. Golf. Hindi ko alam actually kung anong oras. Hindi ko naman Hindi ko naman nakala na matatagalan ako dun. I have cash. Do you need it? How much do you need?
10, 20 bucks.
I'm just adjusting the seat for you. Alis na si Dan, guys. Timing na timing ako. Tumawag siya kanina, nagda-drive ako eh. May golf siya, kasama si Pete. Okay, grab my purse, babe. You look good, my love. Port Power outfit siya, guys. Shorts, top, tsaka hat. Love your Port Power, babe. Ooh, I got heaps of those collectibles.
I want to open them.
I will open it. Love you. Bahay na tayo, guys. Sila naman yung umalis. Magpapaturo siya ng golf kay may may training siyang ganap. Yung stepdad niya nag-golf every weekend. Sabi niya, kulang daw siya ng hobby during summer kasi wala pa kasing football during summer eh. Yung football magsisimula April ata, yung laro ng football. So, yun lang kasi yung sobrang kinaabalahan. Pinag-aabalahan. Tama ba yung Tagalog ko? Anyway, napashopping tayo. Biglaan talaga to, guys. Napunta lang ako ng Coles. Bili lang sana ako ng pork kasi gusto ko nga magluto ng bamboo shoots. Ito, napadami. Bumili ako cornflakes. Tinext ko si Dan, ano kailangan niya? Sabi niya, cereal. So, bumili ako cornflakes. $106.68. Ito lang. Parang, feeling ko nga, konti lang to. Tapos, nung, nagbayad na ako. Sabi ko, umabot to ng $100. Mga 4,000 pesos. So, ito lahat 4,000. Yung cereal, $4 lang. Ito, ganito na kalaki. So, marami na siya. Sobrang dami na. 725 grams. $4 lang. And then, yung prawns, naka-sale kasi. $19.50 per kilo. From 20-something. So, I got banana prawns. Yung hilaw na prawns. 1 kilo. Eggs. $3.80 yung eggs. And then, cucumber, naka-sale din siya. $1.80 na lang. From, usually, umaabot to ng $3, guys. Yung cucumber, mahal. Bumili lang ako ng green chili. Kailangan ko siya sa lulutuin ko. Itong isang pack, $3. And then, ito, yung celebrations na chocolate, guys. Dalawa lang yung binili ko. Kasi nga, sabi ko sa inyo kanina, babalik sana ako. So, $12.50 each na lang siya from 25. Naka 50% off ang chocolate, guys. So, yan. Matagal pa naman siguro yung half price niyan. So, pwede ako bumalik. Ayoko din kasi na ganito na lahat. Gusto ko, like, iba-iba. Pero, yan pa rin yung concept ba? May container pa rin. Talong. Magkano ang talong? Talong. $2.39. Ang ganito kaliit na talong. Mahal ang talong dito. Kamatis, naka-sale to, guys. Itong dalawa, 74 cents. Tapos, bumili ako ng chicken breast. $2.07. Isang chicken breast lang yung binili ko para lang sa lunch ni Dan. Yung cold roast. And then, lettuce is $3.50 isa. And ito naka-sale to. One night, we will have tacos, taco kit, at saka soft taco kit. So, meron siyang spice mix, taco shells, at saka salsa for topping. So, kailangan mo lang ng meat and kung ano pa yung gusto mong i-add. So, itong dalawa, $10 na lang. And then, dalawang milk. Yung milk, mura lang. $1.30 each lang. So, $2.60 for both. And then, bumili din ako nito baby wipes. I think this is $3 ata. No, $2 lang pala. $2. 80 pieces na siya. 80 pieces na siya, tapos fragrance free. And then, bumili din ako nito. Leg roast na boneless. $12.28 for 1.1 kilo. And then, bumili ako nitong corn kernels para sa ating taco. 90 cents only. And then, I saw this, guys. Naka 30% off ata to siya. So, this one is $13.60 from, I think, $16 or $17 originally. Kinuha ko lang yung conditioner nila kasi meron ako ng shampoo, diba? So, wala ako ng conditioner. Hinihintay ko siya na mag-sale before ko siya gamitin. Kasi ginagamit ko pa naman yung OGX na conditioner. So, na nag-sale siya, kinuha ko siya. And yun lang. Yun lang. And meron kaming collectible. Sabi ni Dan, maya na i-open, pero gusto ko na siya i-open. Sabi dito sa receipt, makakatanggap ka ng 5 stickies. Pero, she gave me 6 stickies. Yay! Open natin, guys. Mag-open ako ng 3, tapos si Dan pa-openin natin ng 3 mamaya. Ganyan yung itsura niya. May pagganap yung Coles na mga ganito, mga collectibles. So, this time, ano siya, fruit and veg. Meron kaming watermelon. Nung nagpa-petrol si Dan, meron siyang watermelon na nakuha. So, every $30, makakakuha ka ng isang collectible. Talong! Ito yung sabi ko na gusto ko makuha, talong. Ang cute! Ay, ito pala yung nails ko, guys. Yan, ganyan yung kulay. So, merong gold sa ring finger at saka pastel yellow. So, meron tayong talong. Ilagay natin siya dyan. Okay, pangalawa. Ah! Ano to? Sino to? Lettuce! Ang cute! Ang cute ni lettuce. May pang ganun na buhok. Okay, dyan ka lettuce, ha? Ay, gusto ko i-open lahat. Okay, third. Kamatis. Ang cute ni kamatis. Gusto makuha ni Dan, banana. Hindi ko tayo open. Si Dan pa-open natin sa tatlo, guys. May ipa-open natin sa kanya. Pero yung gusto niya makuha, banana. Sabi ko gusto ko makuha si talong. And, yan. Ang cute. Whoopsie! Anyway, yun na yung haul natin.
I wasn't scared at all.
He went like this. How was it?
It was good. I wasn't very good though.
You weren't very good?
I wasn't very good.
Why?
Because I wasn't very good.
Aww. Sorry?
You got your talong?
I got my talong, yes.
Chaka tomato, chaka, what's that? Cut
Lettuce.
lettuce. Alright, that's what I got.
Open it.
We want pineapple or banana?
Oh, that's
Chaka.
I don't even know what it is.
Like the pear or something?
What is it? A pear?
I don't know. That's chaka.
Aww.
Alright. Are you ready for the next one?
I'm kidding.
Oh,
Oh, that's cute! It's a pumpkin!
it's a pumpkin. Banana. I have a feeling this is banana.
Really?
Oh my god.
Oh, that's cute!
What is it? A kiwi?
A kiwi! That's cute, look at his eyes!
So we got one in the car as well. Jesus.
We got watermelon in the car. Hey, at least we got like different ones.
Yeah. Yeah.
That's cool. Oh, you don't have banana, babe.
I want banana.
That's alright, my love.
What did you buy?
Prawns because it was on sale, $19.
Do you use that to cook prawns or do you?
I want to do the like what Nanai did, the deep fried prawns, the one that you wrap with a lumpia wrapper,
Yeah.
with butter and vegetarian, right?
Oh,
That's
yeah.
good, yeah. So we have. Do you want sinigang? Or not really? No. What do you want then? You don't like Filipino food anymore?
No.
Or me?
You can eat your Filipino food.
I can, but what do you want? What am I gonna cook for you?
Let's make sausage rolls.
Sausage rolls?
We're gonna have to, yeah. We have to frost it now, so we have to cook these.
Okay.
You'd have to eat sausage rolls if you want.
I can cook it for you now. Do you want me to do it now for you?
Yeah, that's in the egg shop actually.
Carrots, babe.
Alright.
Maybe. Depends on how big it is. 2 small ones, maybe. Or 1 big one.
Now two small ones.
Yeah. And then we need onion. Yum! Ito yung mixture, guys, ng sausage mince. Nilagyan ko din siya ng 2 carrots, tsaka quarter ng onion, or actually, quarter ng onion, and then cheese, and then garlic. So, yan. Tapos, ito na yung ating puff pastry. Hintayin lang natin siya na ma-soft siya ng konti kasi frozen pa siya eh. Guys, inorganize ko tong drawer na to. So, kanina sobrang kalat nito. Tapos, itim to. Pinalitan ko siya ng transparent na galing IKEA. Yung binili namin na dan. So, noon, ito yung kanya, oh. Tsaka, itim. Tapos, hindi siya maayos na pagkalagay. Hindi ko alam. Nandito na to, ha, before pa ako dumating sa buhay niya. So, hindi ako yung may ano niyan, pakana niyan. Pero, see, the transparent one looks way better. So, ikakat ko lang yung iba. Kasi papalitan ko lahat ng transparent. Like, ito itatapon ko na to. Tapos, papalitan ko siya ng transparent. So, yung first drawer niya, ganyan yung mga nilalagay, or first drawer namin, ganyan yung mga nilalagay namin. Gusto ko bumili ng, like, you know, maliliit na boxes para ilagay sila dito. Pero for now, okay lang naman siya, diba? As long as i-keep lang siya dyan sa pwesto niya, okay lang. Pero knowing that, ilalagay niya kung saan-saan. Ito, yan yung laman. Last one, yan din. Mga ganyan yung laman. So, see, yan. Pwede natin yung itapon, tsaka yan. Kasi hindi naman ginagamit. See, itong item. Ang gulo tingnan. And then, yung nandito naman, first drawer. Yan, medyo maayos siya tingnan kasi laging ginagamit ko to. And lagi ko siyang inaayos. Kahit na kung saan-saan nilalagay ni Dan, inaayos ko siya. Hindi pa din siya, as in sobrang maayos. Pero, like, you know, not too bad. Second drawer. Ito yung mga laman niya. Wala siyang, grip. So, I think I'm gonna keep it that way. Ito yung magulo na kailangan natin ayusin. Pero, hayaan na muna yan natin siya for now. Nagluluto pala ako ng mussels. Ito siya ay mussels in tomato and garlic sauce. Pero yung gagawin ko sa kanya, guys, is kukunin ko siya dyan. Hindi ko gagamitin yung sauce niya. Lalagyan ko siya ng cheese, tapos ibibake ko siya. So, binibake na natin yung ni Dan. Yan. Yung kanyang, ooh, it smells really good, babe. The sausage roll. Pero yeah. Naka-off na actually to. Tatanggalin ko yan sa sauce mamaya. Tapos lalagyan ko ng cheese. Tapos lagay natin sa oven. Ito na yung mussels, guys. Tinanggal ko lang yung kabilang shell. Lagay ko siya dyan. So, lalagyan natin siya ng butter. Sana kaya lang wala na kaming butter. So, ito margarine, crushed garlic, at saka lalagyan natin siya ng cheese. Tapos, ibibake natin siya. Ibibake lang natin siya hanggang sa maluto or mag-melt yung cheese. Kasi ito luto na to eh. Na-boil na natin to. So, yan yung gagawin natin. Let's do it! Nalagyan ko na siya ng margarine at saka garlic. Lagyan ko lang siya ng cheese, guys. And that is it. Lagyan natin siya sa oven. Yan yung ating mussels. Baked mussels, guys. Yummers! Yung kay Dan, sobrang bango na. Pero wala pa. Hindi pa siya nagbabrown. Yan ay, parang bumukas ba, pero okay lang yan. Sobrang bango niyan, grabe. Kain tayo, guys. Ito yung akin. Ito yung sausage roll, guys. Smells so good. Yung unahin ni Dan, yung broken. But I think that's gonna taste way better because it's cooked like,
Yeah,
really well. This is mine, babe, because it's actually like one big roll and I wrapped it many times.
Okay.
You won't like this, so I like that. Tapos na ako kumain, guys. Natapos ko na din yung mga drawers. So, ganyan na yung itsura niya. Pakita ko sa inyo yung kabila. And first drawer. Second drawer. So, ang linis niya tingnan na puti or clear yung ito ba? Yay! Anong oras na ba, guys? Nanonood ako ng para ang dami. Pinanood ko yung review ni Ann Klutz at saka ni May Layog nung sponges ni Anakay. Kasi binilhan ako ni Kerwin. Thank you, Kerwin. Binilhan niya ako nakita ko yung message niya sa Instagram. Sabi niya, girl, binilhan kita. So, isisend niya daw sa akin pag uwi ko ng Pilipinas. So, excited ako. Hindi ako nag-edit. Wala akong edit today kasi tinapos ko lahat ng videos for the weekend yesterday. I made sure na hindi ko haharapin yung MacBook ko sa weekend. Sabi ko, hindi ako mag-work on my video sa weekend. I can vlog, pero hindi pwedeng mag-edit. Hindi pwedeng mag-edit kahit thumbnail. So, inayos ko na lahat. Ay, sorry, babe. Inayos ko na yung thumbnail, yung videos. Nakaschedule na siya, guys, for tonight and tomorrow night. Ayusin natin yung lights ko. Kasi yung lights na binili ko sa Freedom, wala na siya, guys. Naubos na siya. Ilang Freedom na yung tinawagan ko. And hindi na sila magsastock ulit ng ganito. So, what I will do is I will just spread it out. Ngayon, ganyan yung itsura niya, diba? So, what I will do is I will spread it out para ma-spread siya. Kasi right now, it looks really weird na ganyan lang. Ayan guys, na-spread out natin siya. That's the best thing we can do. Sana dinamihan ko talaga para makumpleto doon at saka doon. Pero okay lang yan. Kapag nag-film kasi, parang dito lang yung kuha. Ganyan. And yan na pala yung nabili namin sa IKEA na plant. Hindi ko pa tinanggal yung tag. Hindi ko alam kung bakit. Pero, I like it there. Gusto ko siya dyan. Yan. Hindi pa yan final guys. Ayusin ko pa yan. Pero, yeah, that's what it looks like so far. Nood kami ng ano guys, papunta kami sa T3 Plaza, nood kami ng movie. What movie is it again, my love? Escape? Something, Escape. Escape Room. Panoorin namin siya. Late yung last show ata to, last movie ata to for the night because it's quite late. It starts at 9:40, does it?
Yeah.
Yeah, so, gusto niya sana manood sa Norwood, yung malapit lang sa amin. Kaya lang sabi ko, hindi mo pa na-try yung seats dito na maganda na seats ba? Kasi bago yung cinema nila dito. So, yan. Dito kami. Tapos late yung dito, 9:40. Sa Norwood kasi 9 sana eh. So, okay lang. Sabi ko, okay lang. Wala namang work bukas. Maraming tao, babe. Sobrang daming tao dito. Sorry, babe?
It's crazy how busy it is.
Yeah. I thought you said fringe.
I don't even know where to park. No.
Dito tayo guys sa Hoyts. Ganda ng palighting nila, oh. Cool. Buy tickets. This one. Escape room. 2. 9:45. Mature audience. Did you hit okay? Yeah, oh, okay. Here you go, babe. Today. Yep. Yeah, today.
What?
Select that one. Yep. Are you a loyalty member? I think I am, my love. Okay. 2. 2. Yes. Good job, babe. Ooh, nice.
Is that screen?
Yeah. I think so. No. Or this one. Do you want that one?
That's the screen there.
Yeah. So that's the back.
Yeah.
Okay.
Or those two?
Nah.
Those two?
I don't know.
Done.
Up to you. Okay. Do you have money?
Yeah,
No
your
money. Ang cool na ng bagong cinema nila, guys. Tingnan nyo. Popcorn doon. Frozen dito. Nice. As soon as you walk in, after mo bilhin yung ticket, alams na. What is it? Sweet spot? Alams na, sweet spot. Ay, nice. Popcorn, babe. Oh. Ay, gusto ko to. Let's get popcorn, babe. Dito na kami sa loob, guys. Did you adjust your seat already?
Yep.
Pa-adjust yung seat. Ding, 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 ding. Pack. Popcorn.
That is so good.
Drinks. You like it?
I would have paid more for this.
Ray.
I would have paid $21.
$1 more. Nah, it's pretty cool. Guys, the movie, tapos lang namin manood. It was good. Did you like it, babe?
Yeah, no, it was alright.
Yeah. I like it. Maganda siya, guys. Escape room. Maganda siya. Kung naghahanap kayo ng bagong movie na papanoorin, it's nice. Thriller siya. It's thriller, right, my love?
Yeah, thriller slash a bit of horror. Thriller?
Horror na, not horror.
Thriller. Yeah,
Thriller. Hindi siya horror, oy. Hindi talaga. Ano horror dun? Ano horror dun, babe? Kataka-taka. Alam mo na siya, oy. Anyway, yun na yung vlog vlog, guys, kasi pauwi na kami. Late na. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Please like this video kung na-enjoy nyo. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I hope to see you guys tomorrow. Have a good one. Bye. Be good, guys. Mwah.